Okay, so in a previous video, I was talking about how my compressor broke. Then I got back to blasting and my vapor blaster broke. So I want to talk about what broke on it. I already fixed it, no big deal, but one component failed and I just upgraded to a better component. Let me just get this out of the way here. Okay, so what broke was the wiper motor. Originally, this is what I had in here, and this is a $30 wiper motor that comes with the arm and this wiper that you see in here in the cabinet. And you know, for 30 bucks, what can you expect, right? I figured I'd give it a shot, and this thing lasted for a year. And basically how it was failing is it started stalling randomly, and you'd give it a little push and it'd go again. So something inside here went south. Now I kind of knew when I bought this and it came in and I looked at it, I'm like, you know, this isn't the highest quality motor, okay? But I wanted to give it a shot, right? And I knew more expensive options were out there, such as this one, and I'll talk about that in a second. But so this lasted a year, which isn't too bad. Just this wiper, if you want to buy a replacement wiper, it's like $8. So really, this is like a $20 freaking motor. And you know, I don't know. But anyway, you know, it worked for a year, not the end of the world. So what I did is I bought this. This is, you know, for automotive and marine applications. The shaft that actually goes inside the cabinet is sealed. It has a larger drum or spindle, if you will. And what I bought is a stainless steel arm. So this is a much better setup. This thing is a lot more powerful, yet the power supply that I chose will drive this, so that's awesome. Nothing had to change there. And mounting it is pretty easy. The old one mounted here, so you see I just put some bolts in here with some silicone, and then I remounted it up. Got the new wiper arm, which is adjustable, and I'm running the same blade that came with that junky wiper motor. And these are replacements are available. They're like $8 or something like that. But anyway, this is like $110 for this motor. It has a high and low speed. It also has park. Park I'm not concerned about. You can buy a high-low switch, but I just have it on low, and it works just fine. So what I'll do is I'll just test it really quick so you guys can see how it works. Got a little adjustable spray there. Yeah, so this wiper works awesome. And not having a wiper isn't the end of the world, but guys, those of you that bought plans, having a wiper is freaking awesome. I mean, it is, you can see way better. So I would highly recommend you putting a wiper in. That's it for this video. I fixed my compressor, I fixed my vapor blaster, and now I can get back to freaking work over here.